So whenever you say jump to label 90, you're going to jump back up to here again, and then you'll run through this code. And then it'll jump back up to label 90, run through this code. Okay? So let's go ahead and run it. Shift forward, yep. Just hit no. We'll go ahead and go back to the top. Let's go ahead. Or do you just want to run that bottom one? So I want to add something here, because something that we're not doing in this first part of this program, 2 lines, is we're not setting our registers equal to a 0, meaning so I'll just do it and then I'll explain it. Register and then 2, set it equal to a constant, 0. Instruction, register, 3, constant, also a 0. Okay. One thing I'll point out here too, just for being symmetrical, I actually should have put 2 and 3 above 4 and 5. So that way it'd be 3, 4, 5. Okay. Just for number's sake, like keeping things nice and in a pattern as much as possible, the better. So that's one thing. The other thing is too, this top part of this program above label 10 is known as the init part of the program, initiation part of the program. So whenever we're going to start this program for the first time, we're going to take the values from our PLC with our generic simulation registers that we have here. We're going to then also set the number of parts that we've placed to a pallet to 0.